Take out the shell. It's pretty interesting. Hey guys, I found this pretty interesting. The fruit from Thailand called Tamarindo. I heard the Tamarindo when I was in San Diego. A friend of mine gave to me the concentration of Tamarindo. I think this is the same things. So it's a plenty of Tamarindo in this box. The box, yeah, it's from the Thailand. Usually you don't see it or see the Tamarindo Thai iced tea in, I think, the San Diego area, the mix, yeah, San Diego area. They serve the Tamarindo drinks there. Let's take a look at what the Tamarindo look like. Here, open up doubles. I pick up them, the 4 of them. What I see, I don't know. This is the first time I saw this Tamarindo. So what I do, I believe this is a collected shells. And eat this one. Take out the shell. It's pretty interesting. These are the things you're going to eat. This one. Let me try this one. This is sweet gel. It's a seed inside. It's interesting. The seed is pretty hard. You can eat it. The shell is black. The shape is not good looking. It's just a sticky, just like a gel. The inside, the hard, the seed inside. This is a pretty interesting. The sweet called Tamarindo from Thailand. This will be able to purchase at the Costco nearby. Well, see you next time. Bye.